0 o'clock to 0:30. Welcome to Car Info Update. Today, we are excited to explore the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome. This luxurious recreational vehicle promises to deliver unparalleled comfort, advanced technology, and impressive capabilities. Let's dive in. Design and features. 0:32 to 30. Visuals of the Chevrolet Motorhome's exterior and interior appear on screen. Host. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design with spacious interior with premium materials and advanced technology. Large windows for panoramic views and natural light. Advanced safety features, including rear-view camera and blind spot monitoring. Inside, you'll find comfortable seating and sleeping areas for up to 8 people. Fully equipped kitchen with appliances and ample storage. Advanced infotainment system with voice control and smartphone integration. Powertrain and performance. 230 to 330. Visuals of the Chevrolet Motorhome's engine and performance features appear on screen. Host. The 205 Chevrolet Motorhome offers a powerful 6.6L V8 diesel engine, producing 350 horsepower and 700 pounds-ft of torque. This robust engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Technology and safety. 330 to 430. Visuals of the Chevrolet Motorhome's technology and safety features appear on screen. Host. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome features advanced technology and safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems, such as lane departure warning and forward collision alert. Wireless charging and smartphone integration. Voice-controlled infotainment system with navigation and connectivity. Trim levels and pricing. 4:30 to 5 o'clock. Visuals of trim levels and pricing appear on screen. Host. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome will be available in 3 trim levels. LT, starting at around $120,000. LTZ, starting at around $150,000. High Country, starting at around $180,000. Conclusion. 5 o'clock to 5:30. Closing shot of the host. Host. That's a wrap on the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome. This luxurious recreational vehicle promises to deliver unparalleled comfort, advanced technology, and impressive capabilities. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on Car Info Update. Subscribe for the latest car news and information. Outro. 5:30. Outro music starts playing, and the host appears on screen with a friendly smile. Host. See you in the next video.